almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River.
Enjoy. So the first one is GIF. GIF. This one has started many civil wars, so I don't want to get into it. The second one is cash. So the first time I was introduced to the pronunciation, I got confused. A professor of mine was like, "Do you guys deal with the cash? What do you guys do with cash? Cash." We were like, what did this guy they talk about? He was saying the cash. We say, cash. He was like, yes, cash. So the third one is SQL. So that one is just an acronym. Structured Query Language. The fourth one is MySQL. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced. MySQL. Like the other guy. The fifth one is Postgres. PostgreSQL. That's how you'd say it. I think. This one is not a tech term per se. It's a software company, SAP. This one's for the designers out there. We love you too. Adobe. I think it means clay. For my backend and networking guys, we feel you. This one is called Nginx. To all the instance orchestrators that make microservices more sane, this one is called Kubernetes. Yes, Kubernetes or Kubernetes. Huawei. The pronunciation says Huawei. The Chinese people, did I try? Huawei. If you want me to pronounce some more tech terms, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.